everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I will be speaking about the Louis Vuitton on the go tote East West in Empreinte leather. Colors, of course, black and cream. But before we dig deep, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so let me get comfortable because you know we have to go into detail. We have to dig deep. A lot of you guys have been waiting on this release, so let's go into detail first about the launch date and how much the handbag is going to cost. Okay, so launch date is October 13th. Pre-orders are now open. Reach out to your CA, guys. Get those orders in because these handbags are absolutely stunning. Beyond beautiful. They are stunning. It's everything I thought they would be. The price for the cream and the black, both $3,150. We knew this. We knew it was going to be over $3,000. And of course, guys, it's Empreinte leather. This isn't just a canvas handbag. So over $3,000, I would say with tax, just have $3,500 in your account. Don't worry about the SLGs. You should have enough Empreinte leather SLGs in your collection. First, we are going to speak on this beautiful cream on the go tote East West, and here it is. So beautiful. These cream handbags that they're launching are absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm sorry. They are beautiful, but it screams color transfer. But guys, we have to start dressing accordingly. We have to change up our wardrobe. We have to change up something because we got to get these cream handbags in our collection. And to be honest, guys, I have two. I have the Fendi Sunshine Tote, and I also have the beautiful YSL Lulu with gold hardware that I haven't used. So I'm preaching to you guys about purchasing a cream handbag, and I have one. I have two that I hardly use and haven't used, to be honest with you. I honestly was not a fan of the East West on the go totes because of the shape, but it's gorgeous. We know the color is cream. Look at the strap. I love straps like this. Do you see the leather and also the chain, braided chain strap that's blended in? It's beautiful. I'm all here for this. I love straps. I love adding a little creativity to the handbag, and it does just that. So an A+ LV for adding just that small detail on the strap. I'm super excited and I love that. You guys did amazing. With this handbag, yes guys, we needed gold hardware. I told you before that some of the handbags they are releasing should, have silver hardware. I was speaking on the Loop GM in black Empreinte leather. I still say that should be silver hardware. But when it comes to this style, this handbag, gold hardware, amazing job. I love everything about this handbag. I wouldn't even think twice about the reverse monogram when we're talking about the Empreinte leather. So this cream, it's very bossy. It's classy, it's sexy. I love the extended zipper. Inside, the smooth microfiber material, and it's cream also inside with a side pocket. Guys, this is amazing. I don't see anything wrong with this. This is perfection. The cream is perfection, guys, and I'm super excited about it. It's the strap for me. That added chain mixed in with that leather, the braided, just that little side of the braided strap is everything. So kudos to you, LV. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it also looks like the side pocket. I don't have an East West on the go tote, okay? So it seems as if that side pocket is also very wide and long to where you can hold your phone. I'm excited about this. I really, really am. I'm excited. Okay, let's move on to the black. Guys, we know there's nothing like a beautiful black on-front leather handbag. And LV, you did it. This is amazing. I have been carrying this for 3 days now. But if I was to go into a boutique and I saw the PM and the on-the-go Tote East-West, like just by each other, I will go for this. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I showed you guys my collection. I have so many on-front leather, black on-front leather handbags from Louis Vuitton. I have about 14, 15. But this, I'm really trying. But there's no reason for me to have both. There's no reason for me to have the PM and also the on-the-go Tote East-West. But this I love. I don't even have the handbag. And guys, I'm happy. I'm happy. I didn't imagine for it to look like this. I knew it would be black on front leather. I knew that. I guess because I don't have an on-the-go Tote East-West in my collection. So I really don't know the size or the shape of it. I just go by the picture. But this is beautiful. Again, with the added chain strap, braided chain strap attached to the leather strap. Guys, that's not an additional strap. So it comes with one strap. If you guys have handbags in your collection, you know how some of the handbags have leather, complete leather on one side, and on the other side, it does have like a braided chain strap mixed in with the leather, okay? This is beautiful. So don't think you are receiving two straps. It comes with one strap. This is amazing. This is beautiful. LV, you outdid yourself. I can honestly say this. Guys, there's no way around the giant LV print. That's just it. We knew this was coming. I don't see this disappearing no time soon. So this is something that we have to accept, just like how we have to accept the guitar straps. So let's just thank God the guitar strap wasn't even added to this handbag, okay? Because they could have did us wrong. They could have added the guitar strap, but they did it. And just this gold hardware on this handbag is just blowing my mind. I love the extended zipper. A+ for that as well. And guys, it's just a totally different feel. You guys know I love canvas. I love reverse monogram. But this on-front leather, this black with this gold hardware, is top notch. Inside, I think they should have added a little color. Oh man, that would have topped it. I mean, LV, I would have been so excited. But I'm still here for the gray tone inside. Of course, microfiber, smooth interior, the side pocket, we already discussed that. Everything with this and with both handbags is perfection. I'm sorry, it's perfection. LV, you did a big one with this one. I give it to you. I give it to you. You most definitely outdid yourself. And I don't see gold hardware feet. We needed that. We needed the gold hardware feet, but this is perfection. The cream is beautiful. It's beautiful. But of course, I have cream in my collection, and there's no need for me to, purchase another cream handbag if I don't use what I have. And I absolutely love the cream with the gold hardware. So I'm cool on the cream. I'm going to use what I have. Like I said, I have two handbags, but it's just something about this on-front leather from LV that I just can't get over. Even the loop gem, I showed you guys this. But before I get off of here, let me ask you something. Are you guys wishing for more colors? I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe they could give us a red. I don't know. Come out with a red color. I know black and cream, I know those are the neutral colors, but what if LV just give us another color? Swing a red in there. I mean, honestly, what do you guys think? I don't know. Let me know. I'm just saying, let's talk about it. A cognac. Would you guys be up for that? And on-the-go Tote East-West in the cognac color. I'm just throwing it out there. With all of the handbags, gold hardware. For the East-West on-the-go Tote, it has to be gold hardware. Okay. We can't mess with the silver when it comes to this handbag. So let me know, what if they give us a red or a cognac color, something different? to add to our collection in unpruned leather. Guys, I'm excited. When I saw this, I was like, whoa. October 13th is the launch date. Pre-orders are open. Reach out to your CAs. If you already reached out to your CA, you pre-order, let me know below. This is what you guys have been waiting on. You are done with the canvas. You didn't want the reverse monogram. You were waiting on the unpruned leather. And guys, here it is. It's time. It's ready. $3,150. You've been waiting on it. Let me know in the comments if you are purchasing or if you already pre-ordered. Share with the besties. You guys know we have to be excited with you guys. The black stole the show. The cream is beautiful. I just don't want a baby a handbag, but the black is different. We have on-the-go totes in our collection. I have the GM, I have the MM, and the PM. But honestly, there's nothing like this. This is beautiful. And also with that beautiful added strap. So let me know in the comments, how do you feel about this? And how do you feel about the colors? A change of color. Give us something, a change of color. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm super excited for anyone that actually pre-order, or basically if you are purchasing the handbag, please share that information. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.